Hi bunnies, and welcome to my channel and another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how I do a file down, an acrylic refill, and a gel color change. So right here I'm filing down the gel polish and I'm removing any visible air pockets or liftings. I would like to take this moment to actually thank all my subscribers and fans. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also the notification button up above or below so you can get any notifications of my upcoming videos. So guys, you know, when you're doing nails, this is one of the most important steps, is the prep. You have to prep the client's nails, whether you're doing a refill or you're doing actually a new set. And when prepping, I mean by pushing back your cuticles, trimming the dead skin around the cuticle area, and sand bending it to roughen the space out. And then, after that, I go ahead and I add my dehydrator and I use my primer before my acrylic application. As you can see here, I'm doing a quick refill with the acrylics, and I always like to go close to where the cuticle area is, which is very important because you do have to tuck in your acrylic really close to that area, just so it prevents any lifting. guys, as you know, doing nails is a process. So this is the most important part of the nail where it brings everything together. So right here is the shaping. Now I'm shaping straight because she asked for a tapered square. Just make sure when you're shaping that you are as close as you can be, like a ruler, to where her nail and the matrix of her nail and side holes are. Now that we're all done with the shaping and the buffing part of the nail, we're going to use a luxurious sheer brown color. I actually love this color actually because it doesn't give you a, you know, like a brown. It's more like a chocolatey mixed with a coffee brown, and it's sheer, but it's buildable. Now, what's funny is that I do tend to paint my nails very unorthodox or very unconventional way. I do have a reason of doing that. It's because I want the polish to actually go in all the little spaces and the crevices of the nail bed, so it doesn't show, you know, some space out. But then you have to just make sure you clean out those excess really good, like the way I'm doing right now around the nails. Now that I've done with the second coat of the polish, I'm using a UV top coat to give it an extra shine. And voila, here we are. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like and follow, and watch out for my next videos. Thank you. Love you all. Bunnies.